Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're making another super kid-friendly dish, and it's basically a bowl with rice and tofu and sweet corn and just layers of things and quite a lot of vegetables, carrots and sweet corn and some greens as well, and we're just layering it, and then we have some tofu that we're going to marinate in a little tamari type sauce. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you hungry?
Very hungry.
Yeah, let's get to it. No.
You're not putting that in.
No, I'm not. So, okay. Do you feel happy cutting with a knife?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
good.
fun.
This is what you need for this bowl with tofu and rice and vegetables. So it's a vegan bowl. First of all, the rice, obviously. And then carrots. These are quite small, but normally I have 2 larger carrots, but something, yeah, this sort of amount. And some tofu. This is smoked tofu, and we're going to marinate that first. Sweet corn. These are frozen sweet corn, organic. A tiny bit of chili flakes, some ginger, and also watercress. The first thing we do is to boil the rice, and the second thing we do is to marinate the tofu, and so that needs to be cut up into fairly small pieces. Do you want to do that, kid? Brilliant. I think it's important that the kids learn how to handle a knife, right? At least when they're 10. Okay, and then you can cut it the other end. Yeah.
Quarters.
Yeah, quarter. Sorry.
Satisfying.
Yeah. Yeah. Great. So now we're making the marinade for the tofu, and so it's 1/3 cup of
Tamari.
cool.
Is it enough?
Yeah, the whole thing. Great.
Cook.
And you need 2 teaspoons of sesame oil.
How much is 2 teaspoons?
That's a teaspoon here. Do you want to hold it?
What is this?
Also, we need a little bit of those flakes. Could you put tiny? No,
All of it?
no, because you don't like that, do you? Yeah. And we're also going to have some ginger. Do you want to grate that? Do you know how to grate?
Yes.
Teaspoon of finely grated ginger.
Mm.
And you could put all the tofu in there. Yay! What do you think?
Mm.
Now we're going to put this aside for a little while and grate the carrots and cut up the spring onions. So we need a little bit of the green tops of the spring onion. Also the carrots. Just grate them. So now the rice is ready. Put the rice at the bottom of the bowl. Right. Yes. And then what?
Tofu.
Okay. And that's been marinated now in that lovely little mix. And I think we have that one on.
Yeah.
The watercress. Yeah. And then the carrots. I think. Is it the carrots?
I think so.
Yeah.
Well, it is now.
Yeah, there is. It is now. That's fine. Just put on top of each other.
Sweet corn.
Yay. Okay, and then on top of that, just a little bit of those spring onions just to make it nice. And then what we normally have is a bit of tamari, right?
Mhm.
And then it's so good because you can either eat it like that or you can just mix it all up. What is it that you do normally?
Mix.
Okay, so here it is. Sometimes I eat it with chopsticks. Do you? Do you like? No. Kid loves this dish, so I'm sure a lot of kids will as well. And it's quite nice that it's layered and it's served in a bowl. Somehow it tastes nicer, right? And what do you like, the marinade and the soybean curd there? Do you like it?
Good.
So it's a perfect little vegetarian. What do they call it? Veggie Monday? No, meat free. A really good meat-free Monday dish, isn't it, Kit? Cool. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and like and subscribe if you did, and come back for another one next week. Are you off now? Take care and have a fantastic week.